Polkadot may see a slight drop of 1.2% by June 21, per CoinCodex. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. Polkadot has posted a gain of 1.6% over the past day and sits near 97 cents. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. CoinLore projects a move down to $0.966 by tomorrow, with a price cut of 0.5%. Polkadot might move down to $0.961 per Traders Union. That's about 0.9% lower than now. Coin price forecast points out it could move lower to 96 cents, about 1% beneath current levels. A separate forecast from CoinCodex shows Polkadot could approach $0.958, an estimated decline of 1.2%. And finally, 30 rates suggest a drop to $0.946 by tomorrow, roughly 2.5% off the current value. This forecast tops all-in returns. 5 takes on tomorrow are in. Let's keep going. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price ranges from a decline of 2.5% to a decline of 0.5%. This means 30 rates comes in with the top forecast with 2.5% gain in value by June 21. In short, you could see a return of between $5 and $25 for every $1,000 you invest. Judging by the probability, CoinLore is ahead with a 93.8% chance of success. Using the input of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined a consensus view. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places Polkadot near $0.958. Here's the detailed picture. Consensus estimates reveal a 1.2% decline in price. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 1.2%. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $12. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 91.4%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. CoinLore believes the market will remain calm. Traders Union highlights that Polkadot is on an upward path. A bearish outlook is projected by coin price forecast, pointing to a decline. Similarly, CoinCodex expects Polkadot to decline steadily. Meanwhile, 30 rates expects the chart to tilt downward. In summary, the consensus suggests Polkadot is on a path lower across the 3-day outlook. At the end of the day, 80% of analysts lean bearish on Polkadot. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $0.961. The final price showed that only a small number of analysts captured the direction. If we check accuracy alone, CoinCodex was the closest. Let's set the results out step by step. 2 forecasts aligned with the candle's boundaries. Looking at ROI, some analysts managed to post gains, with CoinCodex performing best overall. Here's the full recap table. The entire set of results shown together. In the data, Traders Union shows 94.6% forecast probability and minus 2.3% ROI. See if you can tell who had the strongest prediction this time. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Polkadot and other cryptocurrencies. Polkadot comes in at 3rd place, while Ethena displays forecasted profitability of 2.5%. Here you can see Polkadot compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next forecast. Talk to you soon.